Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial of Ledger Module. The Ledger report helps you view detailed transaction and the balances of specific ledger account. It allows you to track opening balance, credits, debits, and closing balance for customers, vendors, subhead, cash, and bank accounts and other ledger. Let's see how it works. When you open the ledger page, you will notice that the report does not show data immediately. To generate a ledger report, you first need to select a specific ledger using the available filters. You can generate a ledger report in different ways. By selecting a subhead, you can use the subhead filter to generate the report for a specific ledger account or subhead. We have two company filter which shows the list of all the companies. You can use this filter to view the transactions for a specific customer or ledgers. We have also some other filters, like we have ledger type filters which contain invoice, payment, purchase, debit slash credit note, general voucher. For example, selecting invoice will show you invoice-based entries only, or maybe if you select payment, then only payment-based entries will be shown below. Now we have company type filter. The company type filter helps you to narrow down the report based on the type of the company. It makes you to analyze customer transactions separately from vendor transaction. Then we have GST and TDS filters, and also we have cost center and business unit and transaction type filter. Transaction type filter contain cash and bank. If you select the bank option, then our extra bank account filter will appear, and you can select a specific bank account and view the entries of that. Now we have a summary which contains opening balance. We show opening balance available at the beginning of the starting period, selected period. Then we have total debit. This shows the total debit transaction recording during that selected period, and this shows the total credit transaction recording during the selected period. And then we have closing balance. Then below we have ledger table. Depending on the ledger you select, it shows company name or ledger name, then debit amount, credit amount, and closing balance. Understanding debit and credit. The debit and credit column show the transactions record against the select ledger. Debit amount increases or decreases depend on the ledger type, while the credit amount records the opposite side of the transaction. We also have a search function. You can uh, search anything and it will filter based on the below entries. Then we also have a download function through which you can download this report in CSV or Excel or copy it. Thank you for watching.